Hey guys, this is Dad's Toys and Things, and look what I found for a hot summer day. This is the Cool Chill telescopic rotating misting fan. Folded, this thing measures about 7 3/4 in diameter, and it's about 4.5 inches high. Now that's the basic one. As you can see, inside there's a remote and there's a single control, and here there's a locking mechanism right there. So when this thing is unlocked, you can hold it, and let's see if I lock it. As you can see, now it's locked. Now I can't hold it. And this one here, I'm going to adjust this. This one, you can tilt this up like that, and there you go. Now going back to the controls, let's see. There's a single control here. Okay. 3 levels, 1 2 3, and then this is supposed to be the natural wind. That's the first one, second, and third. There you go. I don't know if you can hear it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the manual to show you the strength of this. Okay, this is the number one. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 and number 3. With the third one, I can tell you there's enough breeze in here. Even if you're about 4 feet away from it, you can feel it. It's not bad. It's actually good. Now looking at the remote, let's open this one. Gotta remove the tab. There you go. Okay. So you got the power off, power on, and you got the speed. That's the second one, that's the third one. There you go. And there's a timer. There's actually a timer in here. I'm not going to be able to show that because that's about an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. But here's the other thing that I could show you. It's oscillation. So this thing oscillates. Now that's amazing. I mean, if you look at this base, this is very small, and they're able to add that oscillating picture in there. That's really good. So again, I'm gonna make it so it's steady. There you go. Let's pick this thing. And then the other thing that this pan has is mist. Okay. On top of the pan, here you can see that there's a plug in here, and there's a hole. What you can do is you can actually put water on it, or in it, put water in. Okay. I don't know how much you have to. Oh, that means it's too much. Let's pull. Well, and the thing is, on the unit itself, if you look at the unit, there's no control for the mist. This is for the natural wind, but there's nothing for the mist. The only control that you have for the mist is on the remote, and this is it. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's the mist. Yeah, there you go. You can actually see it. Now, I really don't know what the mist is for, because again, it's right about here, this distance. So I don't really know what that's gonna do. I think it's just a gimmick. The functionality of it, it doesn't have a function for the pan other than, it has supposed to be misting, but it's not. It doesn't really work. I can tell you that. The last thing that I want to show you is this. So this thing extends. I can pull it like that. Okay. And it extends to about 3 feet high. So let me move the camera so you can see it. There you go. And that simply means you can put it on the floor if you're sitting down, put it on the floor and it still works, and so much as giving you the air that you need. Or you can put it on the table, which is what I'm doing here, and which is probably what I'm gonna do most of the time. Oh, I can see there's a bit of a mist in there. Now this thing is rechargeable. On the side you can see that there is a micro USB. I would have wanted a USB-C in there. Nothing really on the bottom. And I already found the USB cable. And what I did with the cable is I connected it to my, there you go, solar charger. And let's see if this thing works. Okay, move it here. Okay. There you go. So I can charge this with my 40-watt solar charger, and what that gives me is the ability to keep this outdoor. I can just leave it here and charge it when I need it, so I don't really have to consume any electricity inside the house. So that's really good. Now for the things that I don't like about this is, number one, the mist. It doesn't really do much, and I do notice that this part is weak in the sense that it keeps drooping like that. So I don't know how long that's gonna last. This particular hole in here, this joint in here. So it seems a bit weak. And of course a plane has to pass, and the air conditioning is running. There's a plane overhead, so a lot of noise. I hope you can still hear me. But again, I want to thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click that like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more of my videos. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.